Today I'll be talking about the Lufi or Lufi, L-U-F-I OBD2 gauge. I purchased this about 6 months ago and it replaced the Bluetooth app that I was currently running. I was running a plug-in Bluetooth OBD2 sensor, which would then sync to your phone and display gauges that your car had sensors for. But when I purchased the OBD2 gauge and installed this, it actually had a lot more gauges available than what were available on the app. Also, while running the app on your phone, if you wanted to use Google Maps, you'd have to use it side by side, which shrank the gauges very small, almost making them hard to read. Installation of the gauge was very simple. You just plug the OBD2 plug into the port wherever it's located on your car. It came with a long enough wire to mount anywhere on your dashboard, but I had to buy an extender cable to mount it up in dead center on my windshield. I tried mounting it in the center, but it blocked my speedometer and I didn't like that. And then I did mount it where most people usually mount it, up where my old school GPS is. But with all the numbers constantly moving, I found that rather distracting. The OBD2 gauge is fully customizable, so you can pick what gauge you want to display and where, if you wanted a line graph, numbers, or even a circle display. I chose to do numbers, so it's not as distracting or visually distracting. The numbers I have in white, you can change those to whatever color you want. The letters are in red. Again, you can customize that to whatever color you want. The tachometer on the bottom, that's customizable as well. You can set what RPMs per dot. You can also set warning notifications at certain temperatures or voltage levels for whatever gauge that's available on here.